Friends, welcome to our own channel. God is Science or Science is God. We have reached a conclusion of our series, Life Beyond Physical Existence Exists as a Quantum Particle. Here 8s, the first part of the conclusion. Please like and share the page and the video and subscribe the channel to make sure you get a notification for the upcoming concluding videos on the subject. We have seen the properties of a photon and now we shall deduce the properties of a lifeton. What if the answers to life, death, and the vast expanse of the universe lie in the tiniest of particles? If you've ever pondered these cosmic questions, you're not alone. Today, we're delving into the fascinating concept of lifetons, an idea that seeks to unravel some of the most profound mysteries of existence. Imagine a particle so small, so elusive, it's almost as if it doesn't exist. Yet it's capable of influencing one of the most crucial structures of life, our DNA. This is the essence of a lifeton. Akin to a photon, a lifeton is a massless particle, able to travel at the speed of light. It carries energy, which it delivers to DNA, potentially inciting changes akin to how photons form images on the retina. But here's the twist. Lifetons are said to be generated at the time of death. They lack rest mass, making them undetectable in the living body and therefore elementary particles. Upon generation, lifetons pick up energy from the source and deliver it to the surface where they attach. Intriguingly, they are proposed to interact exclusively with DNA. This concept draws inspiration from ancient wisdom, such as verses from the Bhagavad Gita, that suggest that Jeev carries information from one body to another. In a similar vein, lifetons might capture thoughts, behavior, and deeds recorded on DNA in the form of energy. Once generated, these massless particles are proposed to travel at the speed of light until they find a new DNA to attach to. The changes they induce could manifest as the fate or destiny of a newborn, potentially explaining the concept of karma or the consequences one faces for the deeds of their past life. To add a scientific perspective, parallels are drawn with established studies suggesting that quantum mechanics plays a role in biological processes and can cause mutations in DNA. A study from the University of Surrey even suggests that quantum mechanics, particularly proton tunneling, may induce spontaneous mutations in DNA. Even though these mutations have a short lifespan, they could potentially have health consequences if they survive the DNA replication process inside cells. In essence, the concept of lifetons presents a unique perspective on the influence of quantum particles on our DNA, potentially shaping our fate or destiny. However, it is important to emphasize that this is a theoretical proposal that requires further research and evidence. The mysteries of life, death, and the universe are vast, and it's through the exploration of such ideas that we may inch closer to understanding them. Today we've journeyed through the intriguing concept of lifetons, their proposed properties, and their potential role in influencing DNA. We've considered how these elusive particles might be generated at the time of death and their unique interaction with DNA. We've explored the potential link between lifetons and the fate or destiny of individuals, drawing parallels with the concept of karma. And we've touched upon the scientific realm, considering the role of quantum mechanics in biological processes and DNA mutations. The concept of lifetons underscores the need for further research into the fascinating world of quantum particles and their role in biological processes. After all, the pursuit of knowledge is never-ending, and every theory, every hypothesis brings us one step closer to unraveling the complexities of life, death, and the universe. This video will be continued as conclusion part 2.